Hi friends, I am back again. I had always bring new and interesting projects for you. This video is my school project, so I thought this one also I shared with you. So today's subject is Phases of the Moon. Let's start. Material required are tape, glitter sheets, newspaper glue, highlighter, scissors, black chart papers, scale, glitter pen and pens. I'm not having black chart paper, that's why I'm using these 4 sheets. I will piece them with tape. Now finish it with glue. Now take glitter sheet and make all the faces of moon with pen. The faces of moon is drawn. Now cut it. Now I've cutted all the faces of moon. Now piece the moons on black paper according to its orbit. Make new moon with glitter out. Please like, subscribe and give a thumbs up to my channel, Magical Hole.